Hey guys, welcome to Gandhi Tech. I am Habib Ali Usman. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compress the size of a video with just your smartphone. So with all that being said, let's dive into the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell notification icon. So I will see you guys. Let's dive into the video. Applications that we are going to use to compress the videos. So with all that being said, let's dive in. This is the first one, video compressor. So first select, you see I have some videos inside my camera here. I have this 1 minute video, but this one will take too long. I have this 8 seconds video which is 18.1 MB. So once I've selected, it will actually cut and compress, fast forward, extract MP3, play the video and so on. So I'll just hit on the compress button. It will ask you compress 16.3 MB, 1490%, so and so on and so forth. So 720p, it will make it to 720p. Just take a little bit of some seconds to compress the image. So now the image size has been reduced to 8.1 MB from the original size, which is almost 17. Here are some other lower qualities aspect ratio. If you want, you can also delete the audio and just export and just compress only the video. Then the other app that we are going to use is image compressor. So pick a video. Once you have selected the video, just see which one is. Use this one. 9 seconds. Apply. Unsupported format, only MP4. Let me see, do I have any MP4 video? Well, let me check and see. See my download folder. Some videos. So I have this 30 seconds video. I'm going to apply. What is wrong with this application? This application is a little bit slower. Image not responding, so we should wait for it. We have come to the end of today's video, and if you found this video to be educative, valuable, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell notification icon, also like and share this video with your family and friends. That's me, Habib Ali Usman, sign out from Gandhi Tech, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.